I don't know. It looks yo sé, papi, es como que todo aquí muy tranquilo. You don't like sun in Mexico?
What is it? Oh, my shirt they wash? No. Yeah, you just trying to show me. All right, ladies and germs, the slow travel journey continues about today, right? A lot of times I get comments on my channel, and a lot of the comments are usually questions, and they tend to repeat, right? And some of the things is like, yo, you know, where should I go? Where should I stay? Which one is the best? Should I do this one versus that one? You know, and then you got a lot of other channels out there, man, that seem to be trying to tell people, one, they can never fail. This spot that they live is the perfect place for you. Whether or not you should go to this city versus that city. Fellas, my channel is different, man. My job is not really to do any of that, right? I'm going to give you just details, information, and views. I'm going to give you it the real way, too. I become aware within the last, especially like 6 months, that there's 2 channels in 2 different countries, let's put it, that seem to be selling an absolute dream. You know what I mean? Like, you're not hearing both sides of the story. You're not hearing that, you know, there are some bad that can happen to you. You're only hearing the good. Listen, man, if you guys follow my channel, if you guys go back, you know, it's over 2 years of content. And so far, 3 different countries. I went to Brazil, Colombia, and I've been in DR. I'm never going to give you one side only, man. And on top of that, I'm not going to tell you guys what to do, so please don't ask. You know, we're all grown men. We all like different things. I thought I'd beat this horse to deletion, but I still get these questions, right? So I'm just trying to address it in this way. We are not going to all want the same things, enjoy the same things. We have different values. We have different goals. We have different portions and times in our lives that we want different things out of it. So to you to hit me up and say, hey, man, should I go here versus there? Brother, I don't know. I don't know you, man. You know me at this point more than I know you, because you've been hearing my opinions. You can watch my videos. You can kind of get an idea of who I am. All I can give you is my perspective. And then the things I've heard, seen, or literally experienced myself, both good and bad. Now, the good news about my channel, I think, is that I've been to different varying places, even stuff that I've deleted from my channel that you guys won't go. You know, I've been in the country areas in the middle of nowhere. You know, you guys didn't find that exciting, so nobody watched. You know, after years, I was like, okay, it's been 2 years. I'm going to delete that. Nobody give a damn but that video, you know. So I give you everything, man. A little bit of the hood, but not really hood. I'm not going to jump in the hood and, you know, show the babies with flies on their face, or in Africa, or, you know, one of these, I'm ducking into favelas because bullets are flying. Yo, I'm not going to poverty pimp, right? But this is just my personal opinion. You could go watch those kind of videos. They might provide you something different, right? So what I'm trying to say is, use the information I provide for what you need. Now listen, all my videos ain't going to be what you need, and that's fine. My channel is not going to be for everybody, and that's also fine. Listen, the beauty of YouTube is we got a lot of different types of content out there about different places and one place. You know, if you want Sasua all day, just the professionals walking up and down the strip, yo, there's that. You know, you can't come to my channel and complain, yo, why you talking? Just show us the pros up and down the strip. Yo, you got to choose a channel for what it's there for, right? I'm gonna jump around. I'm gonna have some opinions. I'm not gonna be just one girl after another on the strip. Sorry, bro. That's the life, right? I'm gonna do a walking tour, the whole entire Sasua. I got one up there. You know, go watch it. It's like 2-3 hours long. You can literally pretty much learn how big the place is and what's where. You know, I gotta update that maybe one day. Anyhow, try to do bigger and better things. So listen, my point is, man, don't let anybody else tell you how to live your life. Take a little bit of information, judge for yourself, go to places, explore, see it for yourself. Get a taste of it, a feel of it, maybe literally and figuratively. Some of you out there, you know you are. And and then make your decision from there, man. What you eat don't make me, and vice versa. So that really is a rule for life. I mean, you guys, ask yourself a question: the results that you've gotten in life so far, is it because teachers, authorities, and everybody else have been telling you what to do because you just ask them, hey, what should I do? And if that's the case, and you're sitting there, do you like the results that you've gotten from where you are in life? If you're dating a girl and she's in another country, are you going to ask her where's the best place that you should be, or are you going to be the leader in life? Discover the different area and say, nah, baby, this is right for us, my family, me. What type of quality life do you want? I mean, I used this analogy before. My mother has a boyfriend, and he literally hates the sand. Like, he don't like the feel of the sand beneath his toes or something. I don't know. I never asked him in details, but he would never want to be near to a beach, right? So what if he had like the best beach videos ever because he loved the beach, but you were actually like him and you hated the beach? Would you hit him up and say, hey man, I saw you went once to Santiago in Dominican Republic, but you got 90 videos of the beach. Which one of those cities you think is best for me? What do you think he's going to tell you? If he's a lover of the beach, he's going to tell you the beach. If he's a lover of the city, he's going to tell you the city. It doesn't mean you'll like it, because maybe you hate the beach and the feel of sand, right? Maybe, you like being able to go different places that a city provides. Listen, all across the world, we all live similar, right? The truth is, you got to find a country and the kind of environment that works for you. If you're a country guy, and you like going hunting and this, that, and the third, find a place that has that, right? Don't even have to be this country that I'm currently in, right? Look at the different content, look at different content creators, gather information. Every time I'm researching a country I might want to visit or see a video that I like, I'm like, ooh, this is interesting. First thing I do is search just that country, that city, and I watch pretty much all the YouTubers that have done videos in that area, right? Within a recent amount of time or even the past, and I sit there and I just grab up the information, man, right? So I would suggest you guys do the same thing. Stay in your lane, I stay in my lane, right? If you know you don't like a certain type of content, just don't watch that channel. There's nothing wrong with that. You don't have to sit there and complain. The person's not going to change. I sure as hell I'm not going to change, brothers. I'm going to tell you that right now. my channel has been evolving as I've been evolving, right? I don't even know necessarily what this channel is about anymore. It's about a bunch of things, right? And it's probably going to be a bunch of things in the future, too. Anyway, man, listen. I had a bunch of extra footage here. This is the terminal in Santo Domingo. It is the Caribbean tours. You got Cambio, which is money exchange. You got kind of like Western Union, kind of Banco, where they could send and receive money. They could send and receive packages. You could catch buses here that go to all different points of the island. There's buses that go going towards Haiti. There's buses that go up to the north, Puerto Plata, Sosua, Mao, La Vega, Santiago. There's buses that go in the direction of Boca Chica, but they don't stop there. And then they go north up into Las Terrenas, which is like northeast. I've been Las Terrenas before. I'm not sure if they go to Punta Cana. They might not. Listen, I don't have all the information. I just do general information to help you guys out, right? Show you some good scenery, some good views. Try to give you, fair information. Anyway, check you in the next one.